Hindi.
Selfie.
There's a pig running over the over the street. Oink, 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 oink. India is very nice. The people are very nice. Very nice. Oh, this is my GoPro. But now I have to go because it gets too much. It's always like that. Okay, just a minute. Do the thumbs up. Yeah. Downhill. Not so many cars. Not so much honking. Just mark. Yeah. Just Marcus in the highway, I was about to say, but then the honking began. I think they're coming up from behind now.
Excuse me, sir. Your selfie.
People are so nice to me. I'm a celebrity. Hi guys. Stop. Selfie, sir. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. I can totally understand what Justin Bieber and Lady Gaga and all those people feel. Totally.
It's our duty to welcome you in our country.
They stopped me on the highway and then they invited me for drinks, and then I said I can go on a drink with you if you know where I can sleep. Yeah, we have a school, and I said, oh, can I sleep at the school? And they said, yeah. It's so nice. So I've changed my mind a little bit about India now. I have to admit that I've changed my mind on India. It's gonna go back and forth, black and white, yin and yang. There's something good with the bad. Okay, I'll catch you tomorrow. We're gonna have a nice celebration for me. For who? For me. For who? For me. I'll dress up nice. The shirt I wear every day. It shows to have these on me because these cycling pants, as nice as they are, they reveal a little bit too much. Walking around among kids, it's not appropriate.
Who are you?
My name is Marcus, and I am coming from Sweden.
For the first time in our life, you know, a foreigner came in to take our hospitality here.
Can you teach me the Indian nod, where I'm from, or in almost every country except India? You do this for yes, and this for no. In Iran, this is yes, and this is no. It's very confusing. And in India, this is
Yes.
oh, it's yes. What is okay? How do you do okay? That explains a lot. But if you go slow, does it mean like yes? And if you do this, it means yes, 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 yes. Yeah? Is it like that? And the red dot that you have?
It is for gods.
For the gods?
Yeah.
Okay.
Full attention.
This is such an honor.
Thank you, India. Thank you, terror. Thank you, disillusionment. Thank you, frailty. Thank you, consequence. Thank you, silence.
One of the top 5 days in my life, I would say. 2 days ago I was at rock bottom with the feelings I had about this country, and now I'm like, I can't describe it, it's impossible. The principal and the teachers and the students, just wow. It smells so bad. Hi. It's a buffalo, dead buffalo, and there are 6 dogs just enjoying this. Oh my god, this smell is too much. And here's a dead dog. The boys are back in town! Yes!
Yes.
The boys are back in Bede! What to expect for €4? What is that? That pillow is the dirtiest pillow I have ever seen. Are you supposed to sit on that or stand on it? And then just...
Here is no spoon.
No spoon, for rich people.
Ah, wow, how sweet. It's tasty.
It's me, Mario!
And you say, come my friend, I give you food. So the road provides, it's very nice, very nice. Thank you so much for this. It's very, what do you want? Fucking retard. Yeah, let's say hi to this guy. He probably enjoys if I honk for 20 seconds in his ear. Everywhere I go in India, like everywhere I go, basically everywhere, there's always a person there. If I go to the loo, there might be a person in here like, hello. Today I cycled for 8 hours and 45 minutes, just cycling, but the whole day was like 12, 13 hours long. because I stop, I eat, I meet people. But sometimes I just want to stop to rest, you know, just take out the music out of my ears, just like enjoy the shadow for 10 minutes, just being alone. But that's impossible here because somebody always comes up and like, hey, where you from? What you doing? What's your name? Where you going? I'm like, I love to talk to you, but you're like a cute little puppy that bites me. The eagle strikes from above. Where's my driver? Where the fuck? I told him to be here 9 o'clock. Aren't you my driver? And he's like walking around up here, like 200 meters away from where we were supposed to meet. This is an old fort. It's a cave full of bats. Okay. Oh fuck! He shit on my face. Okay, so we're walking in the bat cave.
Yes.
Have you been there before?
Yes, this guy is here.
Hey man, wow, that's a nice handshake.
You're a strong man.
Yeah, very strong man. Why do you take your children here if they can fall down here and die? This is so dangerous. Not for me, of course, because I look where I put down my feet. I know exactly where I put my feet every time I put them down. That is a big cannon. Hi sis!
Hi.
He's Marcus. I'm Pinky. You love India?
I'm good.
Yeah, I love India.
He's marrying on 18th February.
Oh, congratulations, bro.
Thanks.
10 days of single life.
Single life, bachelor life.
Let's go to the Citadel. So breathtaking, like wow. Apparently the volcano eruptions made this kind of rock and somehow very easy to carve. Can you come over here and tell me how much you love Gordo? Nice place, very nice, Marcus, that you went here. That guy has an amazing voice. This is all carved out in stone. It looks like wooden bearings, but it's all carved out in the rock. The biggest one in the world, one single carving. That guy said it took 6 generations to build this. Probably 6 pretty fast generations. They probably died while doing this. Hey, Ahmed, catch this rock. Oh, there goes 1 generation. It's 50 meters up to the top. They could totally do an action video game here. You have some obstacles here. Oh man, why don't they do that? Map this area down and cat it the shit out of it. Sir, I have to ask you, do you actually enjoy what you're doing? Yes. And then he was like, okay, and he left. And I just realized that I enjoy torturing myself. People have asked me like, how do you communicate? I pointed at the guy's food that he ate, and I got this. Look at this. There is fresh poop on the road. Caca. And here we have the stray pigs. They have stray dogs, stray pigs, stray cows, stray goats. They have stray people. They have everything in India. Gandalf's horse, retired. How many rupees? Next time I go to India, I'm gonna buy a gas horn. Oh, there's a guy peeing. There's always something going down. There's something happening everywhere. Hello, horse. Hey, hello. That's fucking poop. Ugh. And I cycled in it. Who's the diarrhea chief? Oh, it's this fella. Look at her. Wow.
My name is
Marcus is mine.
Marcus Ismail.
Hi. And a lot of people have red hair, and they all remind me of Rorschach from Watchmen. A bird eating a dog. The women never wave. Why? I would love to know who Horn is, because it's getting blown a lot. I don't know if you can see this at all, but in the sky, that is amazing. I have to go in it. Oh, it's going this way. Let's go in it. Whee! Holy fuck, it's windy in here. Wow, it's a sort of a tornado. Okay, first time I saw a small twister. This guy, who are you? What are you doing? What is this? Yeah? You eat it? Ah, nice. This does not happen often. I found a bench in the shadow. That happens like once a week. But now it's just no eye contact with anybody, and hopefully I get to stay alone for 1 second. Wow, your eyelashes. Very nice. 2 minutes. It took 2 minutes. Wow. Wow. Good. What the fuck? 1700 kilometers in 28 days. Yeah. In flip-flops. I have seen so much today. And then you get to see this. This is not what I had in mind this morning. Today is Valentine's Day. You know Valentine? Here we have another Warshak. Nice to meet you, sir. Hello. No. What are these? Like Indian gypsy? Hey!
Who are you?
My name is Marcus. A cow in the boat. Crazy town.
Snooker. Snooker.
I know it's snooker. Okay, let me kick your ass, guys.
अभी अंदर ही ले चलो 4-wheeler.
Thank you, India. Thank you, Providence. Thank you,
Wow, Luke, you look handsome. I'm gonna get you some chicks, man. Both of you look handsome. Wow. We're gonna get